A great deluge, almost wiping out every living thing on our planet's surface. Cosmic battles waged over the skies of Germany. And geologic cataclysms threatening the future of humanity. For centuries, man has faced almost every calamity imaginable. Are we at the mercy of natural forces? Or is there a higher power at work?
The aliens that apparently created us had the ability and the desire to keep human beings disunited.
They can control us and we cannot control them. That makes us a second-class species.
If anything, they may be more violent than we are.
Many people around the world believe we have been visited in the past by extraterrestrial beings, and that ancient aliens helped shape our history. If so, are they out to control us, exterminate us, or prepare us for the future?